What did she say, bro?
She said my ass was too fat. What happened to the lights?
What was that noise?
It's today the 20th.
Yeah, why?
They're back.
Who's back?
You should go check it out.
Alright, I'll go check it out. I got it, bro. Oh! Dude, what was that?
You good?
What? He's behind me, isn't he?
Can I say goodbye?
Hey, Trey, bro. No, don't ever give up, alright? Oh, okay. I'll one last thing, bro. Play my intro.
And that's how my friend Justin became an army. Whew, I'm nervous. Oh my God, I'm nervous. Oh my God, it's been a minute since I felt this nervous. I don't know, I'm excited, I'm nervous. It might have been the 2 shots I took. I took like 2 soju shots. I don't usually drink anymore. I'm getting old. If you're watching this right now, go check out the music video. Go stream the music video. I have it in the link in the description. Go stream it. Stream it at all platforms. Your favorite platforms, whether it be Spotify, anything, everything, all at once. I don't know. I'm nervous, but like, let's just...
둘, 셋, 방탄!
안녕하세요, 방탄소년단입니다. 네, 저희와 함께 뮤비를 기다리고 있을 아미 여러분 오래 기다리셨습니다.
야, clap it up.
방탄소년단이 드디어 정규 5집 아리랑으로 돌아왔습니다.
아리랑.
방탄소년단의 정규 5집 아리랑은요, 저의 정체성과 또 K-팝이라는 저희의 뿌리를 바탕으로 멤버 모두의 진심이 담겨.
It says rooted in our identity, K-pop BTS 5th album Arirang is a sincere representation of our hearts and souls.
굉장히 앨범인데.
What? Look at Tay. With the bunny ears. Sorry for pausing already.
또 여러분을 만나는 만큼 그동안의 그리움, 또 앞으로도 좋은 음악, 조금 더 달라진 저희를 함께하고 싶다는 마음을 앨범 전반에 한번 녹여내봤습니다.
Shit, chat.
네,
Sorry.
이번 타이틀곡
Dreamers.
스윙은 끝없는 고민이 몰려와도
Endless challenges
멈추지 않고
moving forward.
함께 헤엄쳐 나가겠다.
Oh my
다시 많은
God.
팬분들과 함께 앞으로
It's
나아가겠다는
happening. It's
저희의
fucking
의지를
happening. Holy fuck.
노래하는 곡입니다.
Excuse my language.
네, 그리고 이번 앨범 준비하면서 아미 여러분들을 다시 만날 생각에 저희도 기쁜 마음으로 열심히 준비했는데요.
그 첫 번째 뮤비 공개를 앞두고 있어서 그런지 심장이 두근두근 아주 떨리네요.
네, 저희를 한결같이 기다려준 아미에게
Damn, your
바치는
boys.
최고의
They look
러브송인
good.
만큼
Their
저희의 마음을
outfits.
가득 담았으니 마음껏 즐겨주시길 바랍니다.
자, 긴 말 필요 없이 바로 확인하러 가보실까요?
10, 9,
Oh, we get a personal countdown.
7, 6, 5, 4,
Countdown to my death. Oh my God.
2, 1, let's go!
Whew. Let's go. Oh. Still got it. Who's this? Me and my heels. So it's called Swim. Is captions are on. Who this? What's she looking at? I hear the waves. Oh, what a shot.
Swim, waterfalling off your skin.
Ooh.
Swim.
Ooh, oh, JK.
Watching you swim. This is how we all begin.
So nervous.
Swim.
Yeah, turn that.
I just wanna dive.
Map world. So wake up in this map world. Name a place that I can breathe on this map world. Looking like a goody.
Okay. SOS.
Map world. Don't know how to act, girl. I'm in the deep. Tell me where the hell you at, girl.
Where you at?
Ain't even gotta love me back, girl.
Hold on. How do I beat this girl though? Don't be holding me back, girl. Hold me back because I'm about to jump. What the heck? Wait, can we just... Bro, there's so much to take in. Again, go stream the MV. Let's go. The way it drops though?
I could spend a lifetime watching you swim.
A lifetime? For 7 days a week, now a lifetime? Make it make sense, JK.
I just wanna dive.
Map world.
Hey. Mad world?
Place that I can breathe on this map world. Looking like a goody in this bad world.
Bad world?
Don't know how to act, girl.
Don't know how to act.
Tell me where the hell you at, girl.
Where you at?
You ain't even gotta love me back, girl. You know that I'm never holding back, girl.
Don't hold me back.
So easy to make it so hard.
Yoongi.
Maybe I just swim.
Damn.
Wanna fall in love with your skin.
Wait, that reminded me of like the past. But you know when he's in the sheets and you see the silhouette. So, anyways.
Swim. I could spend a lifetime watching you.
They sailors.
This is how it all began.
Why is this giving me like? This is giving me like Pirates of the Caribbean type vibe, right? A little bit, right?
I just wanna dive. Water so deep.
Ooh.
So deep. Take it off the ground. I ain't never getting cold feet. Yeah, you know
Ooh,
me.
okay, girl.
Yeah, you know me. Sitting on the shore, now I'm ready for the whole scene.
Damn.
Feel the high waves coming. Why you run away? You can run it.
Yeah, she getting into it.
My tongue, she's stunning. You're the only place that I wanna be.
Oh, she got dizzy? Give her a banana. Potassium. Oh, that's us. That's me right now, girl. My ears and eyes are teary. He looks so fine. Bitch, they're not there? What the fuck? Am I delusional? Am I? Girl, this is me in a boat by myself thinking that I'm with BTS. Why are they making a whole movie about me? Jin. Oh, hell no. Ooh, J-Ho. Hey. Yeah. Okay.
Swim. Waterfall off your skin. Swim. I could spend a lifetime watching you. Swim.
We just gonna watch me dive?
It all begins.
I did
Swim. I just wanna dive.
What an interesting concept. Oh, she wet. Is it cause she like jumped in? Why she wet? You gonna just smile at me and not say anything? Shout out to the director, Lily Reinhardt. Ooh, the boys are back, y'all. The boys are back. Put the comments down below how excited you are. Look, shout out to everybody that worked on this. I already know these are all Easter eggs. I am too dumb to be one of those YouTubers to figure out everything. That's why I watch my other friends that figure out stuff for me so I can learn as well. I'm just like y'all. If you can't figure it out, I'm waiting. I'm just here to have a good time. I could take a breath. Again, if you haven't already, go click the link in the description. Go stream the music video if you haven't already. Whatever platform you use, go stream it. Y'all already know I'm gonna check out the album, the whole album. The full reaction is gonna be up on Patreon for free. Link in the description. Go check out the Patreon if you want to see my full reaction to this whole album. I'm gonna drink this water. All right, let's engulf ourselves with. Okay. Oh, it literally says swim on the compass. Wait, did she just imagine herself in that boat? I just realized that. Did she really just imagine herself on that boat? Because, girl, same. I would do the same thing. She's like, girl, what if I was stuck on a boat with 7 sexy men named BTS? Lily Reinhardt. I feel like I've seen her face before, though. I like the synths in this.
Off your skin. Swim. Spend a lifetime watching you.
JK, wait, bro. Jimmy, wait, hold up.
Swim. I just wanna dive.
Wait. I'm gonna try to be that detective person. What is it? Going full?
I just wanna dive.
I just, you know what? It's okay. Yup. I love the drums in this too. Normal. What's normal, bro? Our AM be talking. Namjoon be talking. So it's a sail ship.
Swim, swim. Wanna fall off your skin.
I love that lyric. Why if I let off your skin? Girl, I'm gonna be thinking this when I take a shower. I'm gonna be looking at the water going down my skin. I'll be like, you know, that's how crazy I am. I'm joking. I'm joking. Them and their little sailor outfits are cute. She's really getting into it though. Damn. Damn. Me waiting in my mind for BTS. Really. And he looks good. Interesting that they're doing like this type of vibe, like a very slow beat, because people are wondering like if it was gonna be an upbeat one or slow. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be upbeat songs maybe in the album, and I can't wait to check it out. Again, check it out on my Patreon. I'll be up there for free. Damn, look at Tay in the front with his biceps. You know he got showed them off. Nicely shot. I could spend a lifetime watching you. I love that lyric. I could spend a lifetime watching you. I don't know. I know it sounds stalkerish, but if it's them, I mean, why not? I mean, stop it, Dre. That's toxic. That's toxic. So she jumps. Oh no, she takes off her necklace, which is the compass. Girl, help me out in the comments. Anywhere to understand, please help me out. Be a friend. Swim. And she's soaking wet, and then she's smiling like she. Wait, but you weren't on the boat. But you weren't on the boat, Miss Ma'am. Miss Ma'am. Miss Ma'am, you were on the boat. So how you get wet? Like, I'm trying to do math, mental math. Oh shit, my army group chat is texting me. Hold up. I'll be checking it out. I don't know. Put a comment down below if you listen to the album already, which I hope you are. Let me know what's your favorite song. If it's the whole thing, it is the whole thing. But let me know specifics. What am I expecting? I don't know, but you're probably gonna be checking it out, whether it be at Patreon or I upload to YouTube, like individual ones or some shorts. I'll be uploading a lot of shorts now. Reels, you know, on Instagram. I just run them every day. Anything, but I'm excited. I can't wait to tune in. Anyways, I need to breathe. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. And keep on dreaming, dreamers. Dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it. It might just come true. I'll see you on the album listening, okay? All right, y'all. Bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.